Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to 3D modeling lessons. Today we are going to draw a basic 3D house, and we're going to use some techniques we already learned from the previous lessons. And in the project includes an area where we're going to put the house, the pool, and the road to the outside of the garden. And we will have also a garden, as I mentioned, and we're going to surround this garden by the wall. So let's firstly draw our area. So my house and the pool will place here. I'm gonna settle them over there, and over here I'm gonna draw a house place. Alright, and here I will draw a place for the pool. Right, that's it. So basically this place is for my house and this place for the pool, and I will draw here walls, and that walls are going to surround it. And I'm planning to put also some trees there. Let me get the push and pull tool and then pull it up quickly, and after that you see that this is the box that's going to stand for our house. And I will do the roofing part by drawing a line in the middle, and I will get the move tool to move it a little bit up. And I want to tell you one detail here. Make sure when you move this line to the up, make sure your line is blue. Blue means it's going vertically, and if it goes vertically your roofing will be symmetric. Alright, so by the way it become really high. I want to decrease this highness, and it's really simple. You can use push and pull tool, and I will apply the same thing again. By the way, we will have repeated that thing, how to make roofing, and I get again this one, and when it's on blue, here we go. So we got it. So the next thing I will make appear the window and door. Here we go. This is our window and this is the door. And we need to make a connection between ground and the door level, so we can do this with the stairs. I will make here stairs. If you can't see the lines perfectly, you can zoom in and it will let us see it perfectly. And I will get the line tool and determine the stairs, and I use the push and pull tool and then turn these lines into the stairs. That's simple. Alright, as you see there is one rectangle. I will push this little bit inside, so it will give us a view, that window. And I will do the same thing also for the door. Here we go. And I'll get the rectangle to make a handle of the door. As you see, it's hard to draw one rectangle. If you zoom in, you can do a better rectangle, and that could be enough size to make the handle. So our house basically done, and now we're gonna modify this. We're gonna texture, and we will texture also window. That's going to get the effect of transparency, and that transparent effect will give him like a window. Okay, so as you see, when we look at some details, you see there are some lines. We can get rid of them by erasing. So here we go. Now I would like to get also a push and pull tool to work on the handle of the door. As you see, it looks like a handle, but not actually a good one. If you want to make it more realistic, you're gonna draw another rectangle here, and then we will get the push and pull tool, and we're gonna, extract this from the hole, and it will be like the real handle of the door. Here we go. We have finished the door, the house part now, and then we will continue with the pool part. So I would like to get offset tool. You remember the function of the offset tool from the previous lesson. So when you see the selection, you click once and then it selects the outline of the selection, and then you apply it there. I want to apply this also for the wall of the house over here. And I'll get again push and pull tool to work for the pool, constructing pool. I'll pull it a little bit down and get it a little bit up. It's a pool, but we didn't put the textures. When we put the texture, it will be more realistic. So when I want to explain you about this part, look at the wall. They all come together, but I want to also assign this place the gate of the house. So I will cut these parts, or let me do it like this. I'll do this more symmetric. And now I will come from there to here, and then I will cut this part from hole that it won't include this part when I use push and pull tool, as you see. Here we go. And then I can erase this part. There's the extra line we see. So we almost finished. Now we're gonna start coloring. We're gonna put some textures there. I will get paint bucket tool, and then I will start coloring from top to bottom. Here we go. I will get the roofing. From the roofing I can choose which one. Let me get this one. And then I will start coloring. I want to use the colors named, and then I will choose this one to color all the sides. And after that I will color the door. Let me color the door. Okay, I will use the same category, and from that category I'm planning to choose a darker one, and gray. That's good. And for the stairs I will use, I can use stones. It's good. And then let's give a transparent effect to the window so you can see the inside. For that thing I will go to select glass and mirrors, and then I will choose translucent glass tinted. So now you can see the inside of the house because it gave him a transparent effect. Here we go. Well, we finished the house part, and now we will do the outside of the house quickly. And I will get the stone again, and I will connect the road with the the exit of the garden, and it will connect them each other. And I would like to also texture the garden part with the vegetation category. You go to vegetation, and then you can select the grass dark green, and when you touch this, it's going to cover them all. Alright, and I would like to texture this part as well. Firstly, I will use the stones. Okay, I get this one, so it's going to cover them all. And then I will give a water effect. I will get the water sparkling, and now here we go. And by the way, I forgot to texture these other sides. No, not this one. The stone and this. Okay guys, so far we did 70% of the project. Okay, we will also texture the wall part, and now for this part I'm going to use brick and cladding and siding part, and I will get let's get this one, and then I will touch this everywhere. Then it will be textured with that style. Here we go. I forgot this part too. So we almost finished the project. Now I will get a couple of the materials from the 3D warehouse. So it's pretty easy to use the 3D warehouse. You have to go to Window and 3D warehouse, and you can get some ready 3D models. Let's say I will write there 3, and then here we go. I will get this one. You just need to click on this download model and say yes. Here we go. Your tree is ready. Maybe you won't be satisfied with the size, but you can press S and then you can scale it. And then pressing M will activate the move tool, and you can move this over there. And Ctrl C, Ctrl V duplicates this, and I will place it there. And then I will place another 2 here. So here you go. If you see your tree is flying, you can use the move tool again, and you can place this to the ground. That's simple. Okay everybody, we have finished the project. Hope you liked the project and you learned some basics at 3D modeling. And if you follow me, we're gonna advance these techniques, and finally you will able to do anything in SketchUp. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.